You already know what it is. It's your girl Kim, and I'm out here in South Korea. I'm about to do the fire noodle challenge, which is Korean packaged ramen. So, without further ado, let's get it.
Hey, I've been getting money flipping birds, seen a lot of these niggas hating. Got some money back in 06, cop a new whip, no more waiting. Making money in the parking lot. Dominoes playing quarter games. 2012 got my nigga bill. I come from the struggle, I know what it is. Couple grand and I'm molded. Spend the money.
So now that I have the chicken that I wanted to get, which is the Snoingcheese chicken and the shocking hot chicken. Look at that. It's mad spicy. The spiciest chicken in Korea, I promise you. But it's also really delicious. So without further ado, let's grub. I've been waiting for an hour or more to try and eat this. And we got also the spicy noodles here. We got the 1 pack. I'm just eating 1 pack. I'm really curious to see how spicy this ×2 is, because me and my friends, we eat this shocking hot chicken, this super spicy chicken, or the regular spicy noodles just because we think it tastes good. So I like the original one. Sometimes I find myself just eating the original. So that's if I can even get this open. Wow, the struggle is real. I should have known that I'd need scissors, because things Korea, the way Korea packages things, you just never get some. Then we got we'll add this. 후레이크. I don't know what 후레이크 is, but I think it's some seeds or whatever. I don't really know, sesame seeds or I don't know, whatever. The toppings, we'll just go ahead and put that on there. Oh yeah, it's the seaweed, the dried seaweed and the sesame. Jeez! Yo, I'm amped. So this is what we got. And I got the Coke that came with the chicken. Oh, and also the chicken comes with some sides here. So let's see. Let's just go ahead and prepare these. So when you order chicken, it'll usually come with these, I can't even remember the name of it right now. Whatever, but it comes with these, pickled radishes. Oh, you'll get the pickled radishes. And some honey mustard, but I don't mess with honey mustard, so we're just not gonna open that. And some macaroni. And pickles. When I was in Canada or in America, I didn't really mess with pickles, but for some reason the pickles in Korea are really good. They're a little sweeter, so I don't know if they add in some sugar or something, but yeah, it's pretty good. I'm amped. Okay. So here it goes. Oh, and by the way, I'm legitimately hungry. This is legit my dinner right now. I'm starved. I'm marved right now, fam. Jeez. Oh man, hopefully I don't regret this tomorrow though, but Let's go. Wow. Bro, it's definitely it's definitely 2 times spicier than the OG pack. But with that being said, I think it actually tastes more better than the OG pack, the original pack. So it's good, but it's just extremely spicy. And now I'll eat the shocking chicken, the spiciest chicken in all of Korea, bro. I promise you. I'm joking, but it's really good. Whoo! And this is from Nene Chicken. Mmm. Mmm. It's delicious, y'all. Mmm. So what to talk about? So I guess we can talk about just Korean food. Like, Korea's mad weird. Like, if you get things, like, a lot of the food is spicy, and when it's spicy, it's mad spicy. There's like no in-between spicy. But on the other hand, like, other things are either really spicy or really sweet. And like, things that you wouldn't think are sweet, bro. Like chips. Chips are sweet. Like, you think you're gonna buy like a regular potato chip and it'd be tasting like cupcakes. I made the mistake once of buying a bag of chips with a cupcake on it, thinking that it was just gonna taste like regular chips, but nah. Legit tasted like cupcakes. Also, I'll just say that I think Korea has some of the, actually the best fried chicken ever. And I've eaten fried chicken in Canada, and my family, I am Jamaican, so I've eaten like Jamaican fried chicken and other types of fried chicken in Canada. I lived in America for 5 years. I've eaten fried chicken in America, and hands down, Korea has the best fried chicken. No word of a lie. Like, my word is bond. Like, I'm not even lying right now. I swear I came back to Korea for the fried chicken. No, I'm joking, but that's up there on the list of reasons why I came to Korea. Or why I came back to Korea is because of the food. Nah. But, no, seriously though. Oh, man. Woo! The thing I like about this is that it's not overbearingly spicy. I mean, it's mad spicy, but it's not like overbearingly spicy. I mean, I'm lying. It is kind of overly bearingly spicy still. I like never drink soda. Oh, here's my phone. Oh, that's my girl, Jongin. But I like never drink soda, but you know, once in a while is alright. Treat yourself. Also, like, pop in Korea tastes a little different. Like, I'm gonna say it's flat. Like, I don't know why, but they always just have a flat taste. Like, it's not as fizzy as pop in Canada or America. Bro, I feel like the spiciness is just hitting now. So like, so pretty much I lied to you guys. Like, nah, it's spicy, fam. Yo. Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Yo. I don't know if you can see, but my nose is dripping right now. Because this is spicy and this is spicy, everything just spicy. As in, like, it just amplifies every bite times 2. So like when I drink the Coke, even that tastes spicy. Mm. 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 And because like a lot of the food in Korea is spicy, like one phrase that will be helpful to learn, because every time you go into a store and you're ordering something and the ajuma or the worker is concerned that it's too spicy, they're gonna say like, oh, do you know that it's spicy? And then you can just say, ah, yeah, 네, 매운 거 잘 먹어요. 매운 거 잘 먹어요. So I can eat spicy things well. So, but they'll probably de-spice it for you anyway. So at some places, like, if something is really spicy, they'll make it less spicy for you because you're a foreigner. For example, like, and I know this for a fact because I've had my Korean friends go in and order with just her being a Korean, order spicy herself, and then I'll meet her after, and the food was way spicier than when we were all sitting at the table with foreigners. So sometimes they make it less spicy, which is appreciated, because I know some foreigners really can't eat spicy food that well. Mm. Mm. I would recommend eating this though, like, it is good, like, it does taste good. So like if you eat this spicy noodle and, oh man, this Snowying chicken, which is fried chicken with like some cheese powder on top, it would be a great combination. Because I know with the original pack, me and my friends usually eat the original fire noodles with the Snowying chicken. Woo! It has like a point where it's spicy, but it goes away. But when it gets you, yo, it comes, fam. Ah. Yo. Ah. Ah. Like, there's no dramatics here, fam. Ah, there's no dramatics, yo. Ah. Like, that was just one pack, but I would never do more than one pack. Yo. Whew. It's like, the more I suck in air, it's like, the more spicier my mouth feels. Like, bruh. Ugh, even the macaroni is spicy. Oh my god. Oh, it's because I'm still using these chopsticks. Ah. Why is it worse now that I'm finished eating it? Whew. Ah. Okay, I think it's past. I think it's past. Whew. Oh. Now I can try to enjoy this chicken. Why did I do this to myself? It just makes this taste spicy too. Oh my. I'm like at a loss for words. Like, I'm definitely not eating that on a regular basis. Not at all. And never again, probably. It's not worth it, yo. It's like the after effect is what's spicy, but while you're eating it, it tastes quite good, but the after effect sucks. The aftertaste, oh my gosh. Jeez. I was gonna be like a smartass and be like, oh, like, nuclear fire noodle challenge is not really a challenge for me, but nah. Nah, that's a challenge, bro. Like, yo. That spicy noodle is just punishing my stomach right now, so I think I'm gonna call it. Like, I can't eat anymore. Yeah. Like, it's really delicious, but like, nah. Nah. The last thing I'm gonna say about this nuclear fire noodle ramen is that I'm never eating this again, bro. Like, for real, like, never eating this. I'm never putting myself through that ever again. Like, so one and done, like, nah. Like, I can't, like, I can't. So it is what it is, and I'm Kim, and I'm out here in South Korea. Just Kim me, so you already know. Subscribe, like, you already know what to do. You done know. I'm out of here, and I'll talk to you guys later still.